Okay, as long as we're on Google, Google Alphabet did not have a good week.
No.
And this is one of those, this is a story that will be told for many years. I mean, we all have this collection. I actually wrote a column when I was writing a column for the New York Times. I actually did a story on screwed up demos where you make a public presentation, you show off the new product, the prototype, you go to all this work, you spend millions of dollars on the event, and then you screw up the actual demonstration. And Google did that this week with Bard, which is their new competitor to Chat GPT, right?
Right. And this was really embarrassing for Google because Google was an earlier mover than ChatGPT or OpenAI, which is the San Francisco startup getting all the attention. And Google kind of downplayed AI because people were nervous about it. And then they just flat out got passed. And OpenAI